Alright, let's make sure. Why are we dropping frames now? There we go. Drop frames are going down. Alright. So, I restarted my router. Wi-Fi is good again. It's a crazy storm going on in Charleston right now, which is why. New idea. So I asked if I could bypass table view permissions with table space, which is what we queried here, or views, because we do have a view table. I think maybe that could be a good way in. It's food for thought at this point. But we will see actually how this reacts. Leave me alone. Woo! Yeah, there's some crazy thunderstorm going on. So let's see if we can actually use table views or table space to view this. So views might have different permissions underlying tables. If a view is available, it might allow you to access the data indirectly. This is table space. Table columns. So let's do select column name, permission word, table name. Our table name equals that. Actually, we'll say where column name, and then we'll select table name. So select where table name, where column name like CABLE underscore on. Wow, that is a crazy storm going on right now. Actually, let's do this. Select table name for the first one, or column name like. Okay, well, there's probably multiple. So let's do select column name for where column name like. Let's see. What are the default columns in table spaces table? We need an ID, a name some way. No, for MySQL. So we should see space name. So select name from information schema underscore table spaces. Maybe that'll work. name from table spaces. We also got some column names. Oh. Table space underscore name. Can we do table space type? Maybe we can't query table spaces. I don't think we can query table spaces. So let's do select column name from information schema columns where table underscore name equals views. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. There we go. So now we can get views. So maybe what we can do is actually parse that database, but use a view instead. So we can't parse audio edit or files with currently without doing anything additionally. So I'm thinking maybe there's a view that we need to modify or use, not modify, use to actually parse these tables. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? How to list table space names. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body or don't load. I guess that's fine too. I love everything. Fire spreading. How to parse table space names. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Space underscore name information underscore schema dot underscore sys underscore table spaces. Maybe that'll work. I thought the table was just table spaces. Information schema dot table spaces. That's what I have in my notes. I think it's gonna be views. Table. It doesn't look like we can query table spaces. We can even do table space underscore type. And we can't do that. Elsewhere. So we're trying to parse this database. Select table space type from information schema table spaces, which we know is the valid table name. Now we're going to parse views. So view definition. Alright, let's do the select table underscore name from information schema views, and we'll limit it to 1. Actually, we'll say no, we won't. Let's just run that. Well, let's see what comes up. Can we not query views either? Anyway. Select substring, select table name from information schema. How did they use the views before? Select definer from information schema dot views. Can't parse views either. Oh, I had a lot of faith in that one. Select table underscore name. Column name equals table space underscore name. Is this too long? Let's do this. Select table space name from information schema tables. Really? Select table space. SQL, how to find table spaces table space is just audio edit. Select table underscore name from information schema. Columns where column name. Table space. Doesn't like it. How to use how can I see what table space a certain table uses? Using this SQL injection. Ah, really? Select table space name from information schema dot tables where table name equals audio edit. Select length. This should return something. We're not specifying a where, but it should return.
Touching on your booby, get them lifted, lifted. She wanna get it in.
Let's edit this. Select table name, information schema, columns, where, column name. That may be too long. I have a feeling this is going to be too long. Select column name from information where column name equals table space, like. We'll use like to kind of globe our search. Very frustrating. Table name from information schema. Tables. Order by table name. Maybe we'll see audio edit first? No. Okay, so let's do select table type. What table type is a view and table table space? Views are listed in system catalog. Tables or views are stored by your own database. System. What if we do var table underscore type equals view? Interesting. Select table name from information schema tables where table underscore type is view. Is that too long? Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. My SQL tables table.
Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe.
Table underscore schema equals audio edit. Oh, it's too long. Damn.
So bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
What if I get rid of that? Oh, that works. Audio edit, which we know is a valid table, but maybe it's a view also? Is that too long? I think it is. Just barely though. Or what if we did offset 0? Well, we know that works. Okay, offset 0 does work. Select table space name. SQL, how to list table spaces.
Information schema file sale price measurement about all.
Select table name from where table.
Table type?
Table type equals view.
Oh, you wanna believe that I'm the one who's running from this love? but I'm the one who's begging for you to make a change. I only seem to reach you like every other season. Fall back on a dream.
Oh, there is a system view. What up, Gecko?
I used to feel the future in your touch. Oh, I realized you never gave a fuck. I'm sick of playing Zelda's game. It's a final fantasy.
Table type equals system.
Left to right. When I need you, a fool in paradise. I fight to keep you. Make believe it's fun, but I'm more than just a number. You're playing my reality. It's my final fantasy.
System view. There we go. Select table name where table type equals system view. It could be going better. But we do have a system view, which how to view table with system view. I want to view audio edit table with a system view.
You're playing my reality. It's my final fantasy.
I want to use the system view character underscore sets to view the audio edit table. How can I use a view to view a table? Come on.
It's my final fantasy.
A view is a virtual table. How would I parse table space? Query the system views that provide metadata about the table spaces, depending on your database management system. Let's edit this. Oh wait. What is my SQL injection command to add a new view with read permissions over the audio edit table? Ah. Okay. Or create Maybe we can just make a view. Because we need to end that. Now, select file from ADV. Delayed insert timeout.
No A1. 365, no days off. A1, no A1. All I'm finna do is get paid. Y'all motherfuckers getting laid out.
Select all from audio edit. ADVV.
All I'm finna no days off.
Maybe I could do that. Right call to.
A1, no A1. A1, no A1. 365, no days off. A1, no A1. 365, no days off. All I'm finna do is get paid. Y'all motherfuckers getting laid out.
I thought that would have been a way. What up, Alex?
All I'm finna
I just do stuff that's interesting. I'll change it up. I don't know. I mean, there's so much ethical hacking, cybersecurity. There's really endless different CTFs and stuff you could do.
365, no days off.
I wish columns worked.
All I'm finna A1, no A1.
Can't even select files from that.
Appreciate it, brother.
Grind always goes on. Which of these tables has select table type, information schema. Audio edit. This is going crazy. Base. So there's no view. We know these already, so let's move L to 2. What is this one like? Character sets. Collations. Collation table. Collation view. Show table results. Collation refers to a set of rules that determine a string is sorted and compared. When you create a view in a database, the collation settings can influence how the results are displayed. Alright, let's do this. Select length. Select file from audio edit. Audio edit is less than 7. Break me. Why? It's gotta be a special view.
Is this right? Select length. Audio edit dot audio edit. It's gotta be using a collation or some view.
We've lost dancing.
Okay, so here's a view.
Our space we've lost. We've lost dancing.
How can I parse a view
We
called
took for granted.
column underscore privileges and see what columns it has in data?
We've lost dancing.
Select substring. Select column name from information underscore schema dot column underscore privileges. Privileges? Privileges.
This year we've had to lose our space. We've lost dancing. We've lost the hugs with friends and
We've lost dancing.
people that we loved. All these things that we took for granted.
Files.
We've lost dancing. We've lost
Files is a view.
I can live through. We've lost dancing. this next 6 months.
We've lost dancing.
Day by day.
We've lost dancing.
If I can live through this,
We've lost dancing.
what comes next will be
Files sounds like it's it.
marvelous.
What is this parsing? There's a view called files. How can I do SQL injection? How can I view the files view? This is my working SQL injection statement.
Dance, lost, dance, lost, dancing, dance, dance, lost, dance, lost, dance, dancing, dance, dance, lost, dance, dance, lost, dancing, dance, dance, lost. We gon' make it through. Dance, lost, dance, dance, lost, dance, dancing, lost, dance, dance, lost, dancing, lost, dancing, lost, dance, lost. We gon' make it through.
What comes next will be marvelous.
We know the columns that file has. File underscore type from information schema dot. Files. Key column usage. What is that? Key column usage view.
Key column usage view identifies all columns in the current database that are restricted by some unique primary key or foreign key constraint. Only those columns are shown.
I don't have permissions to view this. How can I find a view or table space that does allow me to query the files table view? there table permissions? How can I check table permissions? What table is that under? Table privileges. What are the columns and table permissions for my SQL? Where table name equals. Tell you about it. Too long of a query. Welcome back, Gunvoid. Yeah, dude, these SQL queries are so out of pocket. Maybe I don't need select grantee. Maybe we can't parse this table. column perms. Privileges we can't parse. Cannot parse. Table underscore pros cannot parse. What up, fix it? Raid, let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What up, Agent? Select table name from information underscore schema dot use. This SQL injection is making me lose my mind. Collation, show me how I need to parse a table for information. No, same one. So literally the same one. It's so frustrating. Select. ID from audio edit. That's like the best I can think of. What up, Renew? Peace, fix it. Working on SQL injection. It's Boolean blind based via MP3 file metadata headers. So we're injecting SQL statements into an MP3 file's metadata, and it's getting parsed when we upload it. So we upload it first, post request, it's a 302 redirect to a GET request where the backend actually pulls the metadata from the SQL database. Files. Maybe that from files? If files is a view and audio edit is a DB is a table, how can I use the view to query the table? Yeah, it's been oh my gosh, I think we're pushing like 20 hours now in the CTF. Probably over that, to be honest. Actually, let's try that. For create view test as select all from files. I need the last character to be no. How can I add that as last character? Can't comment out, so can I do like and 1 equals 1 or worse
I
case
live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanity.
an always true condition.
I
There,
see
okay.
the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright. It's
Does
hard
not
to
like that.
breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to
Can't create a new view. That also wouldn't make sense because it would be a lot harder for people to parse.
let me eat my weight in glee. I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days.
I have got injection, yes. So we've actually written this script. So it's a while loop. I just did 700 because you don't know how many characters it is, but 700 is going to count for everything. For I and A through Z, and then all these other characters, and then also 0 through 9. What it'll do is it'll use ID3v2, which is a command line tool to parse, modify, edit MP3 file metadata. So what it's doing is ID3v2 in the author metadata header is injecting this SQL statement into breakcall5.mp3, which is a valid MP3 file. This is our response we're sending to the website. And what happens is it will check the response. If this is in the response HTML, because it's blind Boolean, so it's going to return a 1 or a 0. If this is in the HTML response, then it will echo the letter -n to eliminate the new line, and then it will k+1, which increases the character offset, and then we also have L, which increases the row offset. So it's automated, but it just takes forever to parse stuff. And there's two table schemas. One's audio edit and one is information schema. Audio edit is where this backend, which stores all of the files, is stored, but we can't query that. So the conclusion that I came to was there's only a few possibilities that I came to. Parse a table that I have read privs on with a file name ID that's in sync with audio edit database. So like there's a files view, but we can't parse files. Like audio edit must be valid ID and file table as well. That assumes that we can parse the file table. 2 was to modify the permissions. I didn't think this was a valid solution because the table is not local. It's like a global CTF. Anybody can log on to the same thing. So modifying the privileges would allow for all CTFers to receive that perm and defeat the purpose. Assuming if it was a permission change, they could just query automatically once it was done. The next was fuzzing URLs for files in the upload directory, but that would take way too long. And the other one was I checked parameter values in the parameter and global parameter table, but I couldn't query those. So now, I don't really know what I need to do.
Blast off, let me see your base face. Mask on when I'm out in the real world. Blast off in the club, no chill, girl. Blast off, let me see your base face. Blast off, let me see your base face. Mask on when I'm out in the real world.
That's why I was trying to select ID from files. From audio edit, which is the actual database, the custom table. That's the schema as well. But we actually can't get any values. So it's been interesting. Yeah, and it just skips to the next because we don't have query permissions. Maybe I could say from audio edit where table underscore schema equals audio edit. That's still not gonna return anything. So I was trying to figure out what view it's looking through to upload and check on the back end if the file already exists. Yeah, it's been a lot. This is the audio edit table. This is the files table. So I thought there was going to be some type of, what's it called? Referential constraint where like ID and audio edit must match file ID and file table, and then this would have read privileges and I could just parse this table, but neither of them actually do. Information underscore schema. Files. Just trying to see how I could use a view. Where is that? Get rid of information schema, but I'm pretty sure I need this. currently in the audio edit database. Information score schema. So I feel like before we found that, I need to actually clarify the table schema before I parse. ID should be a digit though, and digits are at the end.
Never mind, bring the beat back, 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 back.
Back. Have you grabbed a list of columns in audio edit? I did grab a list of columns, which are these: ID, file, author, and title. So even if I do like title from information, well, it wouldn't be information schema. It would be audio edit dot audio edit. That's why I think maybe you have to use a view to query it. Files. And if we scroll up, we can see everything that's a view. Right here. There's more. Where are you? This is global variables. I thought maybe a flag could be in here, but it is not. Here it is. Here's everything with view. With data type view. Oh, what was that? Files? What? What was that offset? Really? Unless that was just a misprint. Where's that 6? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, I think I just copied files on accident.
Oh, you wanna believe that I'm the one who's running from this love, but I'm the one who's begging for you to make a change. I only seem to reach you like every other season.
about this actually? What is my SQL query like this in this format to parse table views and what was it? Table views or not schema. I can't think of it. Table spaces.
For better days and holding on. Be with you or beyond my own. If it's right, you'll stay and never let me play. I mistake dreaming over you.
Or files.
My love, my player too. Don't fall off, we're playing. A life with you, I'm saving. I know I don't have time to wait up for you. Always jumping left
Oh, view definition.
when I need you. I'm fooling.
Okay, so select. What do we want then? Table name?
But I'm more than
Yeah.
just a number. You're playing my reality. It's my vital
Table underscore name from information schema dot views where view underscore definition like audio. That's probably going to be too many. Select table name from information schema views where view definition.
better days.
I think that's gonna be too much.
Or beyond my own, be my player too. I'll be your number one in this paradise of love. It's my final fantasy.
If that's the case, let's just sanity check and say select. Table name from information schema views. And let's make sure we can even parse this. Oh, so we can't parse views. Select table name. Come on.
Back up on that shit again. Hey, yeah.
Is MP3 a data type? In my SQL.
Yeah.
What up, Blunts? What up, Day? I have a question. What would you do if you have a WordPress admin domain, but I don't know the password and the username of the admin? No worries about the English. What would you do if you have a WordPress admin domain? Yeah, I mean, you could use Burp Suite to fuzz for injections. Just send it over to Intruder and then add your canary payloads and mark it. You could definitely do that. You can also check for file permissions and start fuzzing down the admin file path. A lot of it, you'll probably get like a 403, but maybe you'll get a 200 on the path, on the admin path that they just overlooked. Select column name. Information statement columns where table name equals process list.
Badass bitch, bad attitude.
We should see. Oh. What? Yeah, of course. All good, fix that. No worries, brother. Ooh, command.
Badass bitch, bad attitude.
Dang it. Command time.
A1, no A1. 360.
Like I've been looking in
A1, no A1.
this right here as well.
All I'm finna do is get paid. Y'all motherfuckers getting laid out. All I'm finna
Bad gameplay.
no days off.
What is going on with CTF Learn right now?
Oh, it's down. Just trying to read the, there we go.
Info.
A1, no A1. 365, no days off.
Bizarre.
A1, no A1. 365, no days off.
Okay.
All I'm finna do is get paid. Y'all
Info
motherfuckers get
state
laid out.
command. Let's select info
All I'm finna
from information underscore schema dot process list. Can we read?
no days off.
What about command? Oh. Pretty wicked offset.
A1, no A1.
Send command, let's do info. I don't know if I have a space in my character list.
I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-M. I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-M. I'm the dawn of the dance. There are many built like me, nah. I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-M. I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-M. I'm the dawn of the dance.
What is it saying now?
Like me, nah. I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-M. I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-M. I'm the dawn of the dance. There are many built like me, nah. I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-M. I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-M. I'm the dawn of the dance. Dawn of the dance, wanna get with me, nah.
Oh wait, I do need to edit. Change the metadata. Maybe it makes sense that we can't parse files for the database backend because there's so many. Maybe there's some type of information we need to enumerate from another table. Because there's so many files from people uploading. There we go. Insert space. Okay, so the space worked. There remain bit like me. Dawn of the dance.
There are many built like me, nah.
Insert into audio edit. Oh, maybe we could parse the command then. Space. Oh, it'll just keep spacing out. If it spaces again, then we... Oh, no.
There are many built like me.
Oh, we're getting a command. What up, freak? Alright. File author. Oh. Well, we know, and then it's gonna say title. Let me cat column search as well. Where's that space at? Oh, okay. Alrighty. What up, freak?
File, author, title. We also have info, state, time, command. Right now we're parsing info.
Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. And I simply lose control. And I simply lose control.
Oh, what? Why did it stop? What character did I forget? Oh. That one?
It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. And I simply lose
Okay, well, we have info. Maybe command?
We've lost dancing. This year we've had to lose our space. We've lost dancing.
It's able to convert the symbols.
All these things that we took for granted.
It's just gonna keep picking out these spaces. Command man ASCII. Oh. Alright, we got all these. We have an equal sign? Yeah.
This year we've had to lose our space. We've lost dancing.
Oh wait. No, we want to do select info.
Points lost. Friends and people that we loved. All these things that
Let's do this.
We've lost dancing.
Copy column search.
We've lost dancing.
if I can live
Oh,
through
CD shells.
We've lost dancing.
Copy column
next
search
6 months,
into C search.
day by day,
VIC search.
if I can live through this,
Let's
what comes next
bump this up to 1.
will be marvelous.
And then this will be break column 6. And then we also have to change it in our request. Is there a second process? Or there's only one process? Okay, well we can do this. There's only one process, so let's do 0. And then let's start at k equals, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11. I don't even know, 50? Okay, so that's the end. That's values. I did not figure out why I can't retrieve data from audio edit. I have not. I'm assuming it's a permission issue.
Will be
Unless we have to use a special view, but I've tried querying files, which is a view. That's just how it ends? How is that how it ends? Which one am I missing? We got double quote. Are we missing single quote? Maybe it's because we're missing single quote. That could be it. How does it just end there? Chunga. Add any symbols to this that I am missing.
Oh, square brackets. Oh.
Insert. Percent sign. Oh wait. Because we have to change the metadata. So we'll add a percent sign and square brackets and then see what that does. Oops, and I gotta change a character in here. It's not. It's not. Could it be a new line? Maybe process less than that. I mean, we see the ID. Insert into audio edit, file, author, title. But we can't parse audio edit. What do we say? Select file from audio edit dot audio edit. ASCII. SQL retrieve ASCII.
Everybody gonna live on mission. Money make a go instant. I can turn you on in an instant. Everybody gonna live on mission. Money make a go instant. I can turn you on. Touch it on your booby, get them lifted. She wanna get it in. Fucking over, better than
Maybe because file. I mean, we should still be able to select author. What about audio edit files? It just ends. Leave me alone.
Everybody gonna live on mission. Money make a go instant. I can turn you on.
Insert into audio tag, audio edit, file, author, title. See, I can't parse audio edit. Information scheme audio edit. That's crazy. It's not returning anything. I thought process list would give us something. What if we do... Oh, we can get rid of ASCII. Do I need a specific table space? Maybe a view? what were... Process was ID user command times state info. Select info from information underscore schema dot process list. Let's change the offset to 1. There's only one process running on it. Select ID. It should return query. Interesting. What did I do wrong?
My own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities.
Information, that's why.
Covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Is this gonna push out a number? Or just don't do anything? Select ID from information underscore schema dot process list. What was the other thing I queried? Info?
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love
What is going on?
fire spreading.
Alright, let's try to figure out what we can parse. Select column underscore name from information schema columns where table name equals process list.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption.
Select column name from information schema columns where table name equals process list. Oh my gosh. K is offset.
just tripping on day. Dreams got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Okay, so select ID from information schema columns. We could do this too. Let's do 0 through 9. Wait. Select ID from information schema process list. There we go. Let's also do this then. K equals 51. Let's do select info. Yes, that's pretty much the only other place I've seen it was Try Hack Me, obviously, and then Portslinger. I just went 0 to 100 on this one, though. This one's not very generous. We know that exists. That's so interesting. Select ID. We're trying, Dantes. We're really trying. It's not case sensitive. Maybe it is. I haven't ran into anything that's case sensitive yet. You can try that. Oh, look at this process. This process number is crazy. Uploads. Damn. Let's try that. Let's come down. select info. Started at 51 again. Let's try that. Process this.
We've been able to retrieve all this information without case sensitive.
It's crazy.
We've lost dancing.
It should give us
This year we've had to lose
oh.
our space. We've lost dancing.
All these things that
Oh, I know.
we took for granted.
We added another 27. I'll put this at like 93. Because we added A through Z now, capitals, which is another 27 characters we have to iterate through, which I did not account for initially. So it wasn't getting to all the characters. We'll see if this will find it. C is... So K is the character offset. C is the character count. So I know once C runs through, now we're at 93. Once C gets to 93, it means it's over. It didn't hit any of these characters. And then it'll just iterate to the next one. It'll add 1 to K. And then L is our row offset. So these all iterate +1. L iterates +1 when it completes the name enumeration. K iterates 1 when it figures out, when it gets a 1 response on the character. So when it figures out the correct character in that position, in that offset, it'll iterate 1 and then start parsing Boolean values for the next.
We've had to lose our space. We've lost dancing.
Is it gonna show anything?
We've lost the hugs with friends and people that we loved.
It's just values that.
We took for granted.
We've lost dancing.
If I can live through
We've lost dancing.
this next 6 months,
We've lost dancing.
day by day,
We've lost
What
dancing.
is events?
I can
My
live
SQL
through
table.
this.
We've lost dancing.
What comes next will be marvelous.
Let's try this. Select event name from information schema events. Let's bring our character offset back to 1. Can't parse events. I guess we can't parse events either. Yeah, the curl response, here's what we're sending, the request. In the response, the HTML for the Boolean value is this. So it'll either be a 0 or 1, so we know we hit when it's a 1. So when it's a 1, it adds 1 to K, so it'll iterate to the next offset value, and it'll reset character count back to 1. So it'll start right here back at lowercase a. And then if it equals 93, it moves on to the next name. So L plus 1 offset for the row value, K equals 1 to reset it at the first character of the name, and C equals 1 to reset the character counter to know if we need to move on or not. Events we cannot parse. Files cannot parse. Engines, MySQL, MP3. C search for what is routines? We could try this. Select routine. Name from information schema dot routines. Cannot parse. Can parse. I don't believe there's any information there though. Session variables, maybe? Like, I wouldn't be surprised if it's a variable that stores the file name. Select column name from information schema dot session underscore variables. Really? Select column name from information schema. Oh. Columns where table underscore name equals.
That could be too long.
Column names. Alright, well, let's just try this. Select variable underscore name from session variables. Select name. Catch 22. Just literally, oh my gosh. Maybe I can't parse that table. Select ID. MySQL table that stores DB version. Really? Select tables from MySQL dot schemata. Well, maybe we can't select tables. What's something that's gonna show? Schema name. Oh. From Okay. Information. I was gonna say there was only 2 schemas when we parsed it. Schemata. Oh, and it's not gonna work anyways because I spelled name wrong. It's gonna return an I for information schemas. We know this.
Everybody on a little mission. Money make them go. I can turn you on in an instant. Everybody better than them. Touching on your booby, get them lifted. She wanna get it. Fucking over, better than them.
Collation is just sorting. What is key?
Really? Select. Index underscore comment. Any comment provided for the types of the comment attribute when the index is created. And this is the statistics table from statistics. Maybe a file name is hidden in here? Where would a file name be? Table underscore equals audio edit.
A key is hidden somewhere. A file name.
What if we do index name? Index name from information underscore schema dot statistics. P primary. if there is a comment. Where do people store interesting tables and my SQL injection?
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross
Where would a flag be if you were a flag?
cars and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
What about, because we know there's a dangerous plugin included, so what if we, I think description?
Take my eyes open to force reality.
Plugins.
Why can't you just let
We
me
know that
eat my
there's
weight in
my
glee?
SQL data password plugin.
I live inside my own world of
I
make
don't know.
Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around
Select
my room. My world's so
plugin.
bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
Underscore description.
I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is the one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah.
This is copy C search dot sh to C to search dot search. Yeah, I see too. Let's raise the plugin offset to 1. We need to modify these. C3 search. Let's just keep going. Where's our offset? L. did change that. Okay. Alright, we're just trying to figure out, maybe it's native BMS real. What is this? What if I do this? Description like PSC for pseudo. Let's see if that's too many characters. And then I gotta reset this offset also. Zero. No, it doesn't like that. Too long. Plug in underscore name, where name like or description like flag. Not finding any description like flag. Come on, where are you hiding? Description like CTF. Unless that's too long. What are my SQHELL partitions?
I'm A1, no A1. 365, no day
Huh.
I'm A1, no A1. All I'm finna do is get paid. Y'all motherfuckers getting laid out.
After query the MySQL partition.
All I'm finna
Maybe that's worth looking into?
365, no days off.
Let's do MySQL partitions table.
All I'm finna
Databases, splits the sexual units, a separate table.
I'm A1, no A1.
Oh, I have to query by a key?
I'm A1, no A1.
Alright, let's do select
365, no days off.
column name,
I'm A1, no A1.
information schema, columns,
365, no days off.
where table underscore name equals partitions.
All I'm finna do is get paid. Y'all motherfuckers getting laid out. All I'm finna
That could be too long. No, it's not too long.
do. No days off.
What? How did that work? I just grabbed a T and that was it.
I'm A1, no A1.
I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-N. I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-N. I'm the dawn of the dance. There are many built like me, nah. I'm the dawn of the dance,
Whoa.
D-O-N. I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-N. I'm the dawn of the dance. There are many built like me, nah. I'm the dawn of the
It's
dance.
the first time we've seen that symbol, and that symbol is used in the flag.
The dance. There are many built like me, nah. I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-N. I'm the dawn of the dance, D-O-N. I'm the dawn of the dance. Dawn of the dance, wanna get with me, nah. I'm the dawn of the dance. There are many built like me, nah.
How to query the partition?
I'm the dawn of the dance. There are many built like me, nah. I'm the dawn of the dance. I'm the dawn of the dance. I'm the dawn of the dance. Yeah, they wanna get a kick, but it's not for free. I could teach you how, but it costs a fee. I get my hands dirty, but my money's still clean. I get my hands dirty, but my money's still clean. Yeah.
Assembly. Using this, how can I see if the table audio edit is partitioned? Select partition name. Partitions where table name equals audio edit. Should be good still. No? I have to clarify table schema. Select partition, partition name from information schema partitions where table name audio edit. That feels too long. Come on. File is file name from information schema.file. I mean, I'm assuming the files view lines up. Why is... Audio edit. I know. What's wrong? Oh.